Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today, we're going to be talking about the best niches for YouTube content creators.
If you're interested in starting a YouTube channel or looking to expand your current one, you've come to the right place. Popular niches. Let's start by taking a look at some of the most popular niches on YouTube. These niches tend to have large audiences and are highly competitive, but can offer great opportunities for growth and success if done correctly. Beauty and fashion. With the rise of makeup tutorials and fashion hauls, this niche has become one of the most lucrative on YouTube. If you have a passion for all things beauty and fashion, this might be the niche for you. Gaming. From Let's Plays to reviews, the gaming niche has exploded on YouTube. If you're a gamer, there's plenty of room to build a successful channel in this niche. Food and cooking. With countless recipe videos and food challenges, the food and cooking niche is one of the most popular on YouTube. If you're a foodie or love to cook, you can definitely find a place in this niche. Travel and adventure. Whether it's travel vlogs or destination guides, the travel and adventure niche is perfect for those who love to explore the world and share their experiences with others. Health and fitness. From workout routines to healthy eating tips, the health and fitness niche is perfect for those who want to inspire others to live a healthier lifestyle. Technology and gadgets. With new gadgets and technology being released all the time, the technology niche is always in demand. If you're a tech enthusiast, you can definitely find a place in this niche. DIY and crafts. From DIY home decor to crafting tutorials, the DIY and crafts niche is perfect for those who love to get creative and share their skills with others. Music and dance. Whether it's covers or original music, the music and dance niche is perfect for those who have a passion for music and love to perform. Education and tutorials. From academic subjects to practical skills, the education and tutorials niche is perfect for those who want to share their knowledge and help others learn. Personal development and motivation. From inspirational speeches to self-improvement tips, the personal development and motivation niche is perfect for those who want to inspire and motivate others. Factors for success. While finding the right niche is important, it's not the only factor that determines success on YouTube. Here are some other factors to consider. Consistency. Consistently uploading high-quality content is essential for building a loyal audience and growing your channel. Creativity. Standing out from the crowd requires creativity and originality. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas and formats. Audience engagement. Engaging with your audience through comments, social media, and live streams can help build a strong community and keep viewers coming back. Marketing strategies. Promoting your channel through social media, collaborations, and paid advertising can help you reach a larger audience and grow your channel faster. That's it for today's video.
I hope you found this information helpful in finding the right niche for your YouTube channel.
As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.